Hey everyone, it's Lisa from the blog farmhouseonboone.com and my assistant named
Joanna.
And we're gonna show you today how to make hard-boiled eggs in the Instant Pot and then make some deviled eggs for Easter. This video today is in collaboration with my sister Laura over at Our Oily House. She shares natural home recipes, from scratch food recipes, some roller bottles, essential oil education, all things natural. And then two of my friends, Julie Blanner. Now, if you are looking for entertaining ideas, some easy recipes, home decor, you'll definitely want to check her out. If you are looking for the best chocolate chip cookie recipe, she is your go-to girl. And then my friend Chloe from Boxwood Avenue. She has an adorable ranch with goats and cows and horses, and she shares some very beautiful modern farmhouse home decor as well as recipes and all things from scratch. All three of them have YouTube channels as well and are sharing some Easter recipes as well. So for this, I'm gonna be sharing deviled eggs and they'll be sharing some other Easter recipes. All right, so to get started, we're going to make hard-boiled eggs in the Instant Pot. This is a trick for being able to peel farm fresh eggs. So I don't know about you, but anytime that I get farm fresh eggs, which is as often as possible, I have a hard time peeling them with hard boiling. So recently I picked up some eggs, our chickens aren't laying yet, from a local farmer. It's actually the same farmer that we get our milk, butter, and cream from. I'm wanting to make some deviled eggs, but these are fresh. And the fresher they are, the harder they are to peel. All right, so to do this, we're first going to put the trivet that comes with the Instant Pot in. Now I will link below the Instant Pot I have. I have lots of Instant Pot recipes as well that I'll link below. And then add a cup of water. And I'm going to add all dozen of these eggs, just right on top of the trivet. For the deviled eggs.
And I was like, oh yeah, those.
Oh, we got tiny ones and big ones and blue ones.
They look like Easter eggs.
All right, now we're going to put the lid on, set it to sealing, not venting, and then set it to high pressure. I'm just gonna press one of my settings here, down to 5 minutes. All right, now after these are done, we'll show you how to mix up the inside of these deviled eggs. We just ran them under cold water and now we're gonna peel them. We did have one kind of explode from the shell, but the rest turned out. Joanna, do you wanna help me peel them? Ooh, they come off so nice.
Yes, they really do. It comes off so easily.
I'll do the weird one.
The weird one we're actually gonna eat.
Yeah, it'll still work. As long as you get the yolk out, which you can.
Okay.
All right, now we're just gonna cut them in half and we're gonna put the yolks in the bowl.
I'm gonna grab.
I love the bright orange yolks that you get with farm fresh eggs. We're looking forward to when our chickens start laying, aren't we? All right, now we're just going to put the yolks into the bowl. All right, Johanna, would you go get me a fork? All right, now to this, we're gonna add about 1/3 cup of our homemade avocado mayo. If you haven't seen the recipe for that yet, I will link it in the cards and down below. It is so easy. We've been loving this all the time. I actually just whipped up a fresh batch. Now I don't measure. You guys know that about me, but I will have the recipe on the blog, printable recipe, so that you can actually print this out and measure. All right, about 2 teaspoons of mustard. a little splash of apple cider vinegar, about a teaspoon. And then a little salt, about 1/8 of a teaspoon. I'm just gonna pour it in my hands. I'm known to over salt things a touch, but I like salt.
I over salt them all the time.
We like salt. And then some freshly ground black pepper. I like to over pepper, but my kids don't, so that'll be enough of that. All right, Johanna, let's go ahead and mash it with a fork. It smells good. You think that's good enough, Hannah?
I do.
All right, you can get it really smooth or you can kind of just not.
I want it smooth.
I'm gonna grab it.
I want it smooth.
Now I'm like Johanna, I've been loving to cook since I was young. I remember a trick I heard a long time ago, I don't even remember when. You take a plastic bag and you cut off the tip. You can also use a piping bag and then put the filling down in it, and then that's a really easy way to squeeze it into the empty egg white, because it can get a little messy if you don't. All right, now we're gonna fill them in. Now I've seen people get really fancy and pipe it in a really pretty way. I'm just getting it in there because we're simple. That's enough, I think.
That was a bad one. I'm gonna do like a cupcake.
Like a cupcake?
Yeah, no, I'm not.
Lastly, we're just gonna sprinkle it with a little paprika, and then we'll be all ready to serve, which we're probably gonna eat these right now.
Yep.
We'll make it again probably before Easter. All right, well that was super easy, and now we have a lovely snack, obviously perfect for Easter, but great to enjoy year on. I don't know why we don't make these more often. Everybody loves them. Try one, Joanna?
Yes.
Me too. You have your eye on one? Clearly. They're good, aren't they? Be sure to check out my sister and friends who also contributed some Easter recipes for this collaboration. There'll be links below as well as a playlist to all of the great recipes, and I hope that you're able to make some of them for your Easter celebration. If you're brand new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. I make 2 new videos every week on food from scratch, natural living in a handmade home.
Thanks so much for stopping by the farmhouse.
You have yolk on your face.